Hello and welcome to this video. We always love the way you are helping this YouTube channel to grow and also our Facebook page. So please don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook channel and the Facebook page for this and more videos. So in this video, we want to look at how we write the equilibrium constant, that is the equilibrium constant K, when we have been given a chemical reaction. Now basically, when it comes to a chemical reaction, we need to know that a chemical reaction is divided by the reactants and the products. So we have this general reaction which we have tried to display there. This chemical reaction has capital letter A and capital letter B. These are representing the reactants, while capital letter C and capital letter D are helping us to know the products. The small letters are helping us to know the stoichiometric coefficients of each species in the equation. So we have small letter A, small letter B, small letter C, and small letter D. These are simply helping us to know the stoichiometric coefficient of each and every species in this equation. Now, how do we write the equilibrium constant? The equilibrium constant is written by looking at the products, then you divide the products with the reactants. So the product should be divisible by the reactant. So what do we mean? When they have been asked to write K, you say K is equal to the products divided by reactants. Now, what are the products that we have there? The products that we have is, we have the product C, that is capital letter C. We also have the product of capital letter D. Then we are going to divide this with capital letter A and capital letter B. So after we do this, we have made the first step when it comes to writing this equilibrium constant. One point that we need to know is, how do we treat the stoichiometric coefficients? Well, the stoichiometric coefficients are expressed as exponents or powers to each reactant or product. So for capital letter C, it simply means small letter c becomes its power. For D, small letter d becomes its power. For A, small letter a becomes its power. And for B, small letter b becomes its power. Now, this K can either be Kc or Kp. How do we differentiate the two? When what you have been given is concentration, the K value becomes Kc. And if what you have been given is pressure, the K value becomes Kp. So depending on what they have asked us, we can represent this as Kc or Kp. So Kc, this is the equilibrium constant in relation to concentration, while Kp is the equilibrium constant in relation to pressure. So look out to more videos on our YouTube channel, Zuluba Consultants, when we will be answering more practical questions with this knowledge.